Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm just going to be reminding you guys, today is Eloise's birthday. As you can see here, it's her birthday. Feed them cake to get a reward. So you're going to have these like cooking pots. You're going to then bake a cake for Eloise. I think I already have a cake here. So I'm just going to give that to Eloise. I don't know why the birthday table is all the way back here. Maybe it's like a glitch or something. So I'm just going to get my cake out and I'm just going to feed it to Eloise. And I got a Grandmaster sprinkler. And that is it for this video. Don't forget, it is her birthday today. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.